Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech Monk of India. So today I'm unboxing a very different thing altogether. This is something much related to IT goods, I would say. Uh, this is a very current necessity. Uh, this is a very important thing that ideally everyone should have at their own homes, just to ensure safety. So yes, I am actually unboxing a kit which has a DVR and one IP camera and a normal camera, just to ensure that I ensure my home is secure and my car, which is parked just outside my bedroom, is also safe. So for that reason I have ordered one IP camera and a normal camera. The normal camera I will fix at the front door, so that I am aware of who is coming to my door. And then I am also planning to set up a camera outside just below my kitchen. The reason being, that will ensure that I have a proper eye on my car, since that is in an open area, and we have seen people doing some kind of malpractice many a times. So to keep an eye on that, I have bought an IP camera. The reason being, this is something that I can directly look into my phone and see how things are with the camera, or with my car. So I'm just unboxing. Just to give you an idea, I got this from a dealer in West Bengal called Siliguri. That dealer's name is 360 Securities, and that person is very smart guy. And I got a very good deal, because when I looked out in Maharashtra in the local area, I was getting some DVRs and some products, but I wasn't getting what I needed, and the cost was pretty much higher. So I thought, why shouldn't I, since this is just a hardware kit and I can also install it, why should I waste so much money in paying them, and not even get a product which I really need. So what I thought is, I ordered. So I went to Google, and I went to YouTube, and I was searching for some videos. I got this guy, 360 Security. He's working at Shiliguri. He delivers to all of India, and this guy is pretty cool. He has helped me a lot. The seller name is 360 Security. His address is International Market Holding. Then it's basically Siliguri, Selvak Road, Siliguri, West Bengal.
So this is the DVR. You can see the model number. It's IDS 7204 HQHI M1S. This is the serial number which you will get, and you can see it's a sealed pack from the top as well as from the bottom. So this is the first product. This is the IP camera, 2 megapixel, DS2CD1023G0E-, and this is the serial number. You can also read it, and this you can see bottom also it is sealed, top also it is sealed. This is the audio 5MP HD camera, 5MP DS2CD 2CE76HOT-ITP-FS. Again you can see it's a sealed pack and a sealed pack. This is the adapter, 2 ampere adapter. These are the 2 PVC boxes, and this is the Cat6 cable. I have named it also at the end, so it becomes easy for you. This is Cat6 cable. It's punched from both the ends. This is the 3+1 cable. This will go in the camera. This will go towards the DVR, and this black and white you can simply, the red and black, you can simply use it to the power supply in the old one which was given with that. And this is the coaxial cable. which will go along with the Cat 6 cable to give the HD camera, I mean the IP camera, the power of the IP camera. And this is the bill. It will be attached here in the envelope, and some stickers and all. So I'll pack everything up and I'll update you with the tracking details.
So I think since this era is about digital technology, so I should not be much worried about the warranty and stuff, because I have ordered some products earlier also, and I have such way, and I felt that the products were really good, and I'm pretty confident that that person will surely give me help in case I find any challenges. He himself has a YouTube channel called as 360 Securities. You guys can check in. I will also add it in my description. This actually, he gives a very good review, and the packing that he has done is awesome. The delivery came in just 3 or 4 days from West Bengal, Siliguri, and it's well packed. I should appreciate that the way this has been taken care has been really good kind of an experience. I'm unboxing it today, and probably when I set up this thing, I'll make one more video which will then give you an idea how this product works and how are things out here with this product. Just give me a moment. I will just unbox this and then get back to you with the devices that I have ordered. Now this is open. You can see he has given me all kind of devices that is needed. I got a Cat 5 cable also. I'll just keep it down so that I can bring it up one by one. So this is basically the Cat 5 cable that I have received. This is basically an Ethernet cable. You can see this, and then after this Ethernet cable, I can keep it aside for now. This is the DVR ka cable, which will be for my external door camera. So this is another cable. Sorry, I don't remember the name. These are some of the brochures that he has provided to me, Hikvision brochures and stickers. So this you can stick somewhere and ensure that people are aware that you have security around, so you can keep that here. And then I have the bill that has been properly kept in the envelope. The bill itself says that I have ordered these products, and he has charged me 11,450, which is pretty cheap as compared to the products that I have ordered. So what are the products I have ordered? Here is one more cable. This cable also will be used for my IP camera. So this will also be used in the IP camera. So with this Cat 5 cable, RJ45 cable, I would say. So these are the two. This is the bill. And now coming to the camera. So this is an external camera. And this is like 5 megapixel camera, which is like it will do HD recording, and then it has a very powerful sensor, and the model number is DS2CE76HOT ITPFS, and this camera actually is retailed at around 5,800, which is the MRP of this, and that fellow has given me the same camera at 2,119. So around 2,200 rupees, I would say I got a camera whose MRP is like around 5,800. So I think it's a pretty cheap deal I got, thanks to him. This is some converter that he has provided. No, this is it. This is a charger. I don't know where this will go in. Probably once I set it up, I would be able to figure it out. Then that where this particular thing will go. So it says it is a CCTV camera for DVR power supply. So I'm not sure where it will go, but I can surely call him and get that idea. Then there are two more. Oh wow, he has given me the switchboards also. These switchboards are basically something where my camera will be fixed. This is a 4x4 switchboard. So this is nothing but to install my cameras. I will need this. So this camera will sit here pretty comfortably. So I have received this also. So I was expecting to get this, but since he has provided, thanks to him, he has provided me this two boards also. Then there comes the main camera, the external camera. This is a Hikvision camera, which is a bullet camera, and this is waterproof. This particular product is 2 megapixel, and this will capture outside anything that goes on WhatsApp outside. And it will record in H.265. So H.265 is a heavy compression. This compression actually helps saving your storage space at your hard disk. Though I already have a hard disk because I already have a setup ready at my home, but that is pretty old, like 4 years back I have installed that. That was just for my living room and one of my rooms inside. Though I have never used it properly, but now I feel with these two cameras I will be using it a lot more because it will make more purpose solved. And this is the final product. This is the DVR. This DVR actually is it supports H.265 with compression, which basically comes with this camera. So that is the reason I brought this DVR. This is a high quality DVR and it's a smart DVR. So I will share one more video link which will basically give you an idea what kind of DVR this is and how does it support other devices, what kind of devices are supported. This is created by 360 Securities, the video. I will share the link which gives you more details about this product. Once I have gone through this video, I was pretty much interested buying this product from him because he has convinced in that video that this is one of the best products in the market. And since he has given me this particular product also on a pretty cheap rate, the MRP of this product is around, most importantly, this is made in India product, so you should be very sure that you are in safe hands. The MRP is 8,500 and I have got this product billed at around 4,190. So just half the price. He has given me a discount, 50% discount, which is pretty good, I would say, with the current scenario. Now let's unbox one of these products. importantly this DVR, which is more important. Let's see how it works. So it's a sealed pack product I'm opening. So let me move this Cat 5 cable also. So this is the DVR, and then you have a mouse out here, which and then a charger. So let's quickly open the DVR and see how it is. So this is how the DVR looks. You can see yourself, it's a pretty cool DVR. I think it's quite bulky as compared to the other plastic DVRs. This is a metal body, a very hard metal body, and it has a good amount of weight associated with it. So pretty good all in all. I think I am amazed with the product and the cost that I have received it with. I think I should be thankful to him, and surely I'll share his channel's name, 360 Securities. Please go check out. If anyone is interested in any of these particular products, please go ahead and buy them with him, and he can take care of the warranty and stuff. He has couriered me from Shiliguri, and it came in like 3 days, 4 days max. I think he couriered me on Wednesday or Thursday. I can't recollect, probably on Wednesday or Tuesday. Probably on Tuesday, and came on a Monday. The delivery date was 15th, but it came by 13th itself. So pretty quickly it came in. So I'm pretty happy with that. Here is the brochure for it. The DVR just looks pretty cool. I am very excited to install the DVR. I will install the DVR as early as possible because I have already a setup of cameras, and then probably I will wait for the remaining things to be installed by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Once I install those products, I will surely create a video out of it and share with you guys. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel Tech Monk of India.